Hello guys. Recently I needed some funds to execute a business deal here in Nigeria, and it was really challenging for me to get access to credit here, and I'm sure that's the challenge for most Africans, not just Nigerians. So I discovered the Vires Finance lending protocol. It's a unique lending protocol that has been around for some time now. So I was able to get some funds from there, and I paid back within the nick of time. So I want to just take you guys around the lending protocol and show you some of the opportunities that could come from there. So as you can see, it has a total liquidity of about $231 million, which is quite huge. Which is to show you that a lot of people are actually on this lending protocol. So it's a unique lending protocol because it caters for both lenders and borrowers, and the process is automated by the Wave smart contract. So how it works is very simple. As you can see, this is Waves token from Waves blockchain, and the total supply on this Vires Finance is around 5.2 million worth of Waves here, and they have a depth of about $64,000, which means about $64,000 worth of Waves has been taken out of this place, and the $64,000 worth of Waves, the supply APY is 4.03%, and the reason why it's like that is the person that the investors that deposited their Waves to make up the total supply, they'll be getting an interest of 4.03%, which is still very good within a specified period of time. Then the borrowers, they have a slightly higher APR, because they're actually the ones taking the funds out here. So the platform has been designed in such a way that they can actually mitigate the risk of managing their finance, which is why there is 4.16%. So you can decide to be a borrower, you can decide to be a supplier. And if you want to be a supplier, maybe you have some Waves that you want to lend out so that you can be earning, you can just click on supply. As you can see, this is the you enter the supply amount you want to put. Let's say I want to put $5,000. You see, $5,000. Now it's, if I don't want to lock it, let's say I want to do a flexible kind of, I can choose the no lock. If it is for 3 months, I can take 3 months. Every duration of your supply has a corresponding percentage to cover for it. So if you can see, 5,000, if it's 1 year you are keeping it, then you have 4.01%. So this is just the way it is. When you are done, you click max, then it will connect you to your wallet down here, and if you have the Waves there, automatically it comes here for you to use. It's very simple, it's very transparent, it doesn't take time. Even a newbie can actually do this. It's a very unique passive income and source. It's better than saving your money in some banks today. So if you want to withdraw, it is still the same process. You put the amount you want to withdraw, provided you've made a deposit before and your supply date is due. You connect it to your wallet and you will get back your money within seconds. So let's go back to the home page. So assuming you also want to borrow, let me use the same means. You click on borrow. You don't have the money, you actually want to borrow. You click the amount you want to borrow, then you connect your wallet. This is the connect. Click on connect. It will connect you to the wallet, depending on the wallet you are using. If it is on Waves Exchange, if it's the Waves wallet that you are using, or any other wallet, and it will check the account health. Account health has to do with the collateral that you have. The collateral that you have, you must have at least above 90% of of crypto in that wallet that will now serve as a collateral for you to be able to have access to borrow some amount of money from this platform. So if the account health is 100%, it means you're actually okay. So you have the borrow APR at 4.16. That is the interest that you'll be paying. As you can see, this is an APR, not APY. So you have to know the difference. So you borrowed the amount you borrowed, the APR you'll be paying, the amount you borrowed, the wallet balance. That is what you have in your collateral wallet. The quantity of waves available currently in the Vires Finance lending and borrowing protocol, and transaction fees you are going to pay. Everything is explicit for you to understand. So you have other coins here. And as you can see, the crypto assets that have higher demands, they usually have higher APYs. As you can see, BSUD, that is the Binance stablecoin, has a higher APY and also APR rate of 5.17% for APY rate and 8.4% for APR. And even for European stablecoin, as you can see, it has this. Even BTC, the demand is high. Same with ETH, but for less popular cryptos, it's not really that high. Yeah, as you can see, these are the percentages for you to have the best of experience. So I particularly enjoy this platform because it's a very good platform, especially for third world countries or countries that are still coming up and trying to build their economies and develop and have access to funds easily to do to finance small scale medium enterprise. The platform is not without its governance model, because governance model is very essential for the successes of any platform. So the Vires Finance also has an indigenous governance token called the Vires token. It's actually used in voting, staking, and carrying out different governance-based activities within the platform. And this is the Vires token at the top here, and you can also trade it. It has it has 11.2 million watts. It's 11.2 million watts, and the APR that comes with staking it is 5.41%, which is also very good. So you to click on the governance. This is the info. If you want to get information about the governance panel, how you can provide collaterals, just a lot of information here for you to actually know before you go into the process. So these are facts, that is frequently asked questions that could also give you more information. So everything you are doing on that platform is secured, is automated, is on smart contracts, so you don't need to fear. So these are questions that you can answer. You can read them. They are very safe. They are very explicit for you to understand. So I believe this helps, and I believe this is going to help someone out there. So thank you very much. Please endeavor to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.